Now, if you have a lazy eye, also known as convergence insufficiency, you're going to be very glad that you watched this video. There are simple exercises that you can do that if you do them on a regular basis, you can see massive improvements. So here's the problem. As we age, our nervous system and our brain ages too. And because the eyes feed into our brain through the optic nerve, anything that affects the brain can also potentially affect your eyes and the muscles that control the movement of your eyes. Now, each eye is controlled by oculomotor muscles. These are these tiny little muscles that are attached on the outer border of your eyes to help you move your eyes in every single direction. These oculomotor muscles are controlled by cranial nerves that reside in your brainstem. If one eye isn't used as much, or if the brain isn't sending the same strong signals to both eyes, the muscles around one eye might not get as much exercise and become weaker. Now, the goal of this exercise is to strengthen the oculomotor muscles and improve the connection between both brains so that we can have an effect on the movement of each eye. All right, so to start the exercise, what I'm going to want you to do is first identify your dominant hand. This is important because we want you to start doing those exercises with the hand that you feel the most comfortable with. Second, your location in the world is important, and this is because of the Coriolis effect. So if you're located above the equator, you're going to be performing clockwise circles, and if you're below the equator, the circles will be anti-clockwise. Now, it's important that when you're performing this exercise that you're not stressed, that you're relaxed, and what's especially important is not to clench your teeth. So in a sitting position, you're going to take a pen and draw a vertical line on your dominant index finger. Step 2, you're going to bring your index right in front of your eyes, and you're going to want to make sure that both of your eyes are focusing on the vertical line. Now you're going to begin to perform clockwise circles right in front of your eyes. Now what's really important is that you start off slow and pay attention whether or not you are seeing one line throughout the entire exercise. Now if you want to make this exercise more challenging, all that you have to do is bring your finger just a little bit closer to your nose. You'll know if you're performing the exercises correctly if you feel some kind of pulling or strain within your eyes. Now, for optimal results, perform these exercises for 30 to 45 seconds, 2 to 3 times a day. Now, after you do this for a couple of days, please comment down below and share the success that you've had. And don't forget to download the Brainpro app. It offers additional tools and exercises that can complement your eye workout, currently available on the App Store.